Hello friends, today we're going to be milling up some black walnut using the steel 070 for the Granberg mill. The log's about 7.5 foot long. Colin, my son-in-law, is going to be running the saw for me today, and stay tuned. Enjoy. Alrighty, let's take a peek inside what we have of this black walnut. This is our first offcut, and Colin has opened it up for us, and it is pretty as well as expected. Walnut does not disappoint. My neighbor. He said you can get the job done now. It's kind of windy, it's hard to hear him, but he's a pleasure to have around. And this is the second walnut log. It's the same length, about 7.5 foot long. It was all together 15 and a half foot long. We cut it in half because my little wooden ladder wasn't long enough to cut the whole thing. So we'll be making mostly serving boards, cutting boards, and stuff like that out of it. So as you can see, it's another beautiful log. There's some big birds, hawks flying over. And this is my neighbor, Mr. Kendrick. I've been knowing him for over 50 years, and he is full of wisdom. He used to work at a sawmill when he was a kid. I think he said he was 14 years old when he was working at the sawmill. He's 89 years old, and I would let you listen to him talk, but it was so windy you couldn't hardly hear what he was saying. But he'll be 90 in February, and he has always been a pleasure. Every time we go out in the yard and crank up some kind of power saw or something, he always comes over and offers to help or do something. He's always around and full of knowledge. He's a pleasure. It's been my pleasure to know him most all of my life. So I'm 58 and he is 89. It's a pleasure, like I said, to have him around. See what we got here. Let's sweep it up here. You can see the difference. This cut and then the top of that other cut, how brown that top cut is over there.
Let that be a lesson to you. If you mess up, you got to clean up.
Words of wisdom. this is the last cut that you'll get to see on this video. Battery went dead on my phone, and so this will be the last piece that you'll get to see in this particular video. But there will be more. There'll be more. We didn't get to finish the log completely, but we will come back, revisit another day. Appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.